In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated emails in HubSpot workflows so you can automatically follow up with your contacts. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable automation that sends the right email the moment someone qualifies, saving you time and ensuring consistent communication. First, open your HubSpot account and head to the left sidebar. Click Automation, then select Workflows. This is your home base for automating steps like follow-ups, notifications, and more. If you manage multiple hubs, make sure you're in the right account before continuing. Now let's create the workflow. Click Create Workflow, choose Start from Scratch, select Contact-Based Workflow, and click Next. Contact-based is perfect for follow-up emails because it enrolls individual people rather than companies or deals. Give your workflow a clear name so you can find it later, something that describes the trigger and the purpose, like new lead, form follow-up email. Next, choose how contacts enter the workflow. Click. Choose a trigger to start this workflow. For a beginner-friendly setup, pick a simple option like form submission or met filter criteria. Form submission is great if you want to email people right after they complete a specific form, such as a newsletter sign-up. Met filter criteria works well for rules like life cycle stage is led. These triggers control who gets enrolled and when, so pick the one that best matches when you want the email to send. With the trigger set, let's add the action to send your email. Click the plus icon, then select Send Email. You'll be prompted to choose a marketing email. If you've already built and published one, select it from the list. If not, you can create a new email right from here. Just remember to publish it so it's available to the workflow. Use a clear subject line, include helpful content, and consider safe personalization like the contact's first name if you have that property. Make sure your from address, as, and footer details look correct. Before going live, review everything, check the trigger, confirm the selected email, and ensure there are no warnings. When you're ready, turn on the workflow. HubSpot may ask whether to enroll existing contacts who meet the criteria. Choose what fits your process, then confirm. Your automation is now active and will start sending emails based on the trigger you configured. That's it. You've created a clean, beginner-friendly HubSpot workflow that automatically sends a follow-up email the moment your contacts qualify.